In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping time on Shopify in 2025. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to efficiently manage your shipping settings, providing your customers with clear expectations on delivery times, which can greatly enhance their shopping experience and boost your store's credibility. Let's get started by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to locate the Apps section. This is where you can find and integrate various tools to enhance the functionality of your store. So go ahead and click on Apps. Now that you're there, use the search bar to type in estimated delivery date. This app will be instrumental in providing your customers with accurate shipping times. Once you've performed the search, you'll see a list of results. Find the one that best matches your needs and click on it. Next, click on Install. The process may prompt you to confirm your choice, so don't be surprised if a pop-up asks you to install again for confirmation. This confirmation ensures that you're fully aware of the new integration taking place. Confirm the installation and the app will be added to your store. With the app now installed, it's time to dive into exploring its features. Start by navigating to the Products section within the app. This section will allow you to customize shipping details for individual products or categories, depending on the structure of your store and the variety of items you offer. The Products section is where much of the magic happens, as you set specific delivery estimates that align with your supply chain and individual product availability. Adjusting your settings here can provide detailed delivery timeframes tailored specifically to your product lineup, which goes a long way in managing customer expectations from the moment they hit the purchase button till the product arrives at their doorstep. It's worth spending some time to fully understand all the customizable options available through the app. You can often find guides or tooltips within the app interface to guide you through specific features, making it easier to personalize the settings according to your store's unique needs. Once you have familiarized yourself with the Products section and have started adjusting the shipping details, remember to thoroughly review all your settings. This is essential to ensure that every piece of information displayed to your customer is accurate and truthful. Accurate information means happier customers and, ultimately, fewer customer service inquiries related to delivery confusion. That's all you need to know to get started with adding shipping time on Shopify for 2025. This simple integration will significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience by providing them with clear expectations. As always, continuously monitor feedback and update your settings as necessary to ensure you're meeting and exceeding customer expectations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy selling!